I will be changing the main battery on my XC60. The battery is located under the trunk, so the first steps is to remove all of these carpets. I'll remove this as well. So what you want to do is remove this plastic cover. Just like that. Next step, you will want to grab yourself a 10mm and you're going to unscrew the negative first. Like that. After you have loosened up the screw, you can remove the negative terminal, and you want to disconnect this connector. And now we will be removing the plus terminal, the positive one. Again, 10mm. After you have loosened the nut, you need to take this bracket off. And you want to remove this hose from the side. Next, you will need a 7mm, and you will need to unscrew these two bolts which are holding this bracket. And now you can lift off the bracket. And lift up the battery also. So here is our new battery. Make sure that the specs are the same as the old one to make sure that it functions properly. And now we put the new battery in. Make sure that the negative terminal and the positive are on the correct side. And now we are going to do everything again in reverse order. So we'll start with this bracket. And now reinstall the positive terminal. And just hit it a couple of times just to make sure that it is completely seated. Reinstall the hose. Put the cover back on. Connect the clip. Let's press it down. And now reconnect the negative terminal. Just like that, and reconnect the sensor. And the last step is to put this tray back on. So these two goes in here. And now we have the battery installed in the car. So what we will be doing now is to use a scanner tool to reset the battery monitoring system. So we will go to battery reset. And that is it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please put them down in the comments. Thanks.